which enhances the agricultural production of the country. This is the financial structure of the company. The authorized capital of the company is 173 crore rupees and the paid up capital is 57 crore rupees. And NSE has also invested in state seed corporation. In the different states, the state seed corporations are there. There we have invested 9 crore rupees. And total revenue of the company is around 1180 crore rupees. And last year PBIT was 72 crore rupees and PAT was 41 crore rupees. The net worth of the company is 633 crore. Total payment to the exchequer including dividend was 37 crore rupees last year we paid to the government. And the dividend was 49.95 crore rupees. And last year also we have participated in the Sports Award and won that award. What is the importance of the seeds in which we are dealing? For raising the agriculture productivity, seed is the most critical input. National Seed Corporation is dealing in the seeds right from the breeder seed stage to breeder to foundation, and the last stage is certified seed, which is being distributed to the farmers. NSE, as on date, we have pan-India presence. We have around 11 regional offices and 76 area offices. In addition to this, we have 22,000 hectare land in Rajasthan, Haryana, and Karnataka, where we are producing the seeds at our own farm. The use of good quality seeds can enhance the productivity up from 15 to 20%. Therefore, raising yield rates in agriculture largely depends on the higher replacement rate of quality seeds of high yielding varieties and the hybrids. For achieving the desired level of SRR, adequate seeds of good varieties need to be produced. This is our product basket. In case of cereals, we are producing paddy, maize, pearl millet, sorghum, wheat, and barley. And in case of pulses, we are producing black gram, green gram, pigeon pea, Bengal gram, lentil, and peas. And of course, oilseed is the trust of the government of India. That is, we are producing soybean seeds, groundnuts, sunflower, castor, till, rapeseed, mustard. And in addition to this, we are also producing fodder crop seeds, fibers, and vegetables. As of now, we are dealing in 80 crops of 627 varieties of these crops. This is the group-wise production of the company. Around 15.42 lakh quintals of seeds of cereals, pulses, oilseeds, and the other crops is being produced by the National Seed Corporation. As I have told you that we are the only PSU under the administrative control of Government of India for production and distribution of the quality seeds. We ensure the availability of quality seeds at affordable rates at the appropriate time, helping the farmers in reducing their input costs, popularizing of new release varieties through demonstration and the field trials. In production basket of NSE new varieties released within last 10 years is to the extent of 60% of the total quantity produced. During the year 2019-20, NSE has supplied more than 15 lakh quintals of quality seeds of paddy, wheat, pulses, seeds, vegetables including fodder and other seeds to the farmers at affordable rates and ensure the food and nutrition security of the country. Our thrust is on the production of distribution of vegetable seeds also, and that has been increased from rupees 33 crore during 15-16 to 64 crore rupees during the 19-20. Therefore, increase in the sale is by around 100%. In case of the seed production, emphasis is being given for the production of oil seeds, pulses, nutricereals, fodder crops, green manure, hybrids, and vegetable seeds. We are also giving emphasis in production of stress tolerance varieties so that the adverse climatic effect can be reduced and the productivity of the crops can be increased. In case of paddy and wheat, we have produced so many varieties like Swarna Sub-1, DRT Sub-1. In case of wheat, DBT 187, there the farmers are getting very good yield in the stress conditions. convergence also, and in case of growth also. NSE has its own well-defined procurement policy, procurement of produced seeds from the seed growers. Across the country, we are procuring the seeds. We have around 12,000 registered seed growers farmers. From them, we are procuring the seeds, and as per defined procurement policy, we have fixed it. We are giving the very good rate to the farmers. In addition to this, under National Food Security Mission, the assistance is being provided in Ministry of Agriculture, that is also being passed on to the farmers through DBT, direct benefit transfer. Further, just to increase the productivity, seed coating and the biologicals of nanonutrients to improve the quality and productivity and reduction of the fertilizer cost we are using. For increasing the productivity, we have also signed the MOU with Messrs. Agritech Corporation Philippines for production of Surge Decent Paddy Hybrid Seeds SLA. This variety has already been tested by NRI Cuttack in 6 states and showing very good results. For sale of seeds to the farmers, so that the seed is reaches to the farmers, we have signed the MOU with the Karnataka, Jammu Kashmir, and Odisha. And in addition to this, we also signed a MOU with the other public sectors, that RCF, HIL, and Cotton Corporation of India for distribution of various crops, and with the Jute Corporation of India, especially for jute seeds. To make aware about the benefits of the seeds and the availability of the seeds with the corporation, aggressive sales promotion activities through jeep campaigns, demonstrations, farmers meeting, participation in Mela, besides educating the farmers about the latest varieties of the crops suitable for their areas are being done by the corporation. NSE has also diversified its activities, and we have also come into the fish seed production at our two farms, one at Central State Farm Sugargad in Rajasthan and at CSF Raichur in Karnataka. There we are producing more than 2 crore fingerlings, which is being supplied to the farmers at a reasonable rate. Further, NSE is also involved in the production of tissue culture plants at banana at our area office Bhubaneswar. We have established a lab, and we are supplying around 10 lakhs of banana plantlets to the farmers at reasonable rate. NSE has also established 6 numbers of custom hiring centers to support the small and marginal farmers in providing the farm machinery and tractors on the reasonable hiring rate. As I have informed that we have 6 farms, 3 farms in Rajasthan, 1 farm in Hisar, Haryana, and 1 in Karnataka. There we have established this 6 hiring centers, and we are supplying this machinery to the nearby farmers at a very reasonable rate. So farmers are coming and they are using this machinery for enhancing their production. From Government of India, NSE has also been designated as the nodal agency for implementation and monitoring the scheme to provide the credit-linked back-ended capital subsidy for encouraging the private sector to develop industries, particularly in high-volume, low-value crops of paddy, wheat, pulses, and other seeds to increase the availability of quality seeds for setting up the processing plants. So far, 651 projects have been sanctioned by the company.
Is done?
No, as I told you that we are supplying the seeds to the farmers at reasonable rates. This is the indicative list that I have told you that NSE sale price, just take the example of Bottle Guard, our sale price is 1,500 rupees each kg. Whereas in the market, the private companies are selling the seeds at 3,000 rupees per kg. Take the example of the other crops also, like tomato, the difference is almost double. In case of carrot also, chili also, and onion also. We are supplying at a very reasonable rate. This is the in case of paddy also. Our rate is 250 rupees per kg, whereas the private is selling from 300 to 480 rupees. In case of bajra, maize, mustard, and sorghum. So thereby, the input cost of the farmers, we are contributing that so that the farmer's input cost is reduced and his income is covered.
Mr. Singh, please conclude your presentation.
Yes. And this is the fishery, and almost this is.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Now, okay, see your corporation is very much a good centralized agency to protect and develop high yielding varieties of the crop. Now, we in India, we have different climatic zones across the country and have a different variety of crops right? Now, are you having state level agencies of the similar kind who have their localized need of as per their cultivation of crops? Like unless you have that, see the farmers, especially in the rain-fed areas, like in Maharashtra itself, they are in absolute distress, and some of them you know stories about they being committing suicide, etc. Now the question is that, you see, how would we ensure that the kind of seeds that we have is attend to or addressed to such crises, and how much of the local seeding patterns or local varieties in terms of saving the gene pool, etc., are being taken care of? Is after all, it's a centralized at Delhi is a different thing. Maybe it's a Kata Canada, or you can get the help from the Philippines Rice Institute. But if you see such a huge country and such a wide variety of situations in terms of cropping, in terms of climatic zones and irregularity of rains, etc., how do we cope up with developing not only good seeding seed corporations or value-added seeds across the country as per the region, also to see as to how best we can provide to the, especially as you said, the marginal and small farmers on a through the cooperatives or agriculture extension offices. Are you having a coordination with these agencies?
Sir, I tell you, sir, in case of this National Seed Corporation, basically we are the seed multiplication agency. We are multiplying the seeds. As far as research is concerned, that is being done by the ICR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Whatever the varieties is notified, we are taking the breeder seed from the ICR, then further multiplying to foundation seed and then certified seed. And as I told you that we are dealing with the 80 crops and 627 varieties. And most of the varieties are released by the through ICR systems for different agroclimatic conditions, and the latest varieties released within last 5 years and 10 years. While selecting the varieties, we are taking care that the need of all the farmers across the country is fulfilled, right from the Kerala to Jammu Kashmir and Gujarat to northeastern states. So that's why we are taking, in our kitty, more than 627 varieties are there as well.
And you are focusing on the arid and semi-arid regions as per their cropping patterns?
Yes. For late swan, early swan, and all varieties we are taking care.
And you have a storage and distributive system across the country in the states and.
Yes, across the country, we have 11 regional offices and 76 area offices across the country. And we have a strong dealers network. We have a strong dealers network of around 3,200 dealers network is there. Authorized dealers.
Achha. Are the supply of your value-added seeds are being linked with the agricultural loan at the local level cooperatives?
No, actually we are supplying the seeds through our authorized dealers to the agriculture department, and in some of the demonstration schemes, some of the mini kits is being given to the government of India. Okay. This is the state subject. Further, the state governments are distributing to them.
As the state governments have their corporations as well?
State governments, they have.
And are they federated under you?
Pardon?
Are they federated under you?
Yeah. We are supplying the seeds to them.
Okay. Every state has a storage system?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, do you have also questions?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, ma'am.
See, you said you are buying from good quality seeds from Philippines and all that. Are you only buying and selling?
No.
Or you are also having your own research labs where the good quality seeds are being developed and produced?
Yes. We have purchased the parental line from them, and we have taken the seed production from in Andhra, and at Raichur Farm, Karnataka, we are multiplying here. Only parental line we have taken from the Philippines. And further, we are maintaining the parental line here, and we are multiplying the parental line so that the next year we may produce more seeds.
Okay. And your prices are almost 50% of what the private selling prices. So yes. Is it because your margins are less, or because you're subsidizing it?
We are taking less margin.
Huh?
Our margins are less.
Achha. Okay. Good.
Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thanks for your presentation.